Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Trend Predictor. I'm going to give you the weekly analysis, how and where to take the trade according to the trend which I have given. Henceforth, I'll be giving frequently the trend, and you should make sure you should know how to and where to enter by using these trends. So this was on 18th. I expected market to open and then it was a sideways day. I have given a video for this in the channel. What you can do is let's analyze for 19th. As per the trend, the market has opened. I said it will open around 8:20 plus or minus 20 points. The market has opened here and then it formed an bearish candle. I already said in the video that once it reaches 18,600 we can see reversal. So initially the market opened gap up, and then when it touched 18,600 there was a huge sell off, and then the market has fell like this. Once it has taken the support level again, these levels, the OA data which I have already mentioned in the YouTube video, once it got broke and then the R1 and the previous day high was broken, I mentioned clearly to go for a long position here. You can buy here and then keep your target till 18,600. Here, the previous swing high, you can take your target at previous swing high. Since the market has gone till here and then there was a huge sell off, you can take your book profit at the previous swing high, which is here. So once you enter here, you can take your profit here. It's a huge point from 18,547 to 1890. Around 40 points you could have taken. And then once this level has reached, you can go for selling, or you can buy call put options. You could have taken a position here and then target to the CPR, this level. This is your first entry and then this is your exit. Again, once this level is broken, again you can enter here and then book your profit here. These are the three entries you could have taken. The clear trend which I have given from here, which I have mentioned in the video, you could have taken from here and then you can book your profit here, and then the next thing here to here, and then this one. The trend which I am giving doesn't mean that from the day starts market will go just like this. It's a pattern, it might go on that particular day. Here you can see once this level is broken, the same pattern has gone, and once it reached 18,600, this level, it again started a huge fall. The fall was still here, which I have clearly mentioned. From 18,600 level we can see a reversal. If those who have watched the first video, they will understand this. Okay, let's move to the next day. I have extended this level because it's in region CPR. This is the CPR for this day, and the market has not touched here and it doesn't penetrate here, so I have extended this one. This acted as a huge support here, on 20th. Again market started with a sell-off, and then it tested the Virgin CPR, and then again it bounced back. When you see a huge red candle in the market opening, and then when you see the bounce back, again you can expect a sell-off from the same level. This is the level where you can enter, and then again profit to the CPR. Market and the Virgin CPR level doesn't work in the late afternoon. See the time, it got broken. It's after 12:30. Till then it was acting as a support, huge support here. In the market opening it acted as a huge support at 9:20. Here again it tested 12:40, 12:30. At 1:25 it was broken. If you have any doubts you can comment in the section. Let's move on to the next level. The Virgin CPR doesn't act. Once it is broken, it will not be useful on the other day, so you can ignore on that. But this is this I have extended because this is the CPR for this current day, which is on 21st. Market has opened here, and then once the CPR is broken, you can enter here. You can enter here, and then you can take your profit at the next level. You can keep your stop loss below this. This day I didn't trade because I was held up in some other work. Here, this I have posted a short video in my channel. I will explain this why and how I have taken profit today. See, as I informed, market has opened exactly here. In the short video, I predicted to market to open here, and then the market has opened exactly here. This was the trend I am expecting, which I have shown in the video. Exactly, market has opened, and then there was a reversal from the zone. I was trying to enter the market once this level is broken. I was expecting once it comes here, and then there was if I see a reversal, and then if the CPR level is broken, because I can see strong sellers are sitting in 18,200. I was expecting market to break that level and then go up. So I was waiting for a big breakout here so that I can enter. So see how to use the trend which I have given. You can see how the market was performing the same trend which I have the pattern which I have given. The same way, those who have used this pattern, they could have taken a profit at the entry level itself, but it should be a scalping. You should trail your stop loss. Always go with the stop loss. The best entry is when the market is reversed, and then when there is a strong breakout, then you can enter. If you see here, the market tried to break out, but then again see the candle wick here. It is not a complete breakout. Hence I again waited. When I see that the market is not able to stand above this, the next strong support level is here. Wait either to break out here or see the strong zone here, which is the previous day low, where the market had a huge fall and then again it took from here. So this is the strong supply zone. This is the supply zone, and this is the demand zone. So when you see the market is again falling here, when it is not able to break out from here, I was waiting for the market to touch this level. because from anywhere it can reverse. So either you could have entered from here if there is a breakout, or if the market is coming till here. So I waited till 220. I was expecting market to come here, then again there was an reversal, and then when I see this candle, I entered here, and then I have taken a profit here, which is the previous swing high. This was the previous swing high. There is a huge red candle here, so I have booked profit here. Though it's a small profit, I don't want to enter in the wrong time, because market will take all your money if you enter in the wrong time. By seeing this pattern, you will get an easy idea that market has a chance to go up. Since the same way the pattern doesn't happen, doesn't mean that it will not happen. See, the same way market has tried here, and then when it couldn't break this level, but I know once it comes down, it will bounce back. So I was waiting for the next support zone. When it touched here, I easily entered here, and then I have taken my profit. This is the way you should use the trend. But please be patient and wait and enter at the right time. This is the analysis for this week, guys, and please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so that I'll keep posting next videos. I'll post the pattern for Monday very soon. Please support me. Thanks. If you have any doubts, you can comment.